Hello guys and welcome to Hackman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you how to recognize slow stocks and how should you avoid these slow stocks. Now I've explained the previous videos about what are hot stocks and what are cold stocks. What are slow stocks. Did I say cold stocks? Sorry about that. What are hot stocks and what are cold slow stocks? I've explained that to you in the previous video, and I've also made a video, the previous video, about what are hot stocks and how to trade these. Now in this video I particularly show how to trade these, how to recognize a slow stock and how to avoid these type of stocks and when to trade these stocks. So let's get started, and now you can see that in the same I've uploaded the list of the stocks that I'm going to trade in that I'm trading in the stock market. I'm currently using using in the stock market for to trade the different stocks. Now now how to avoid these slow stocks. Now these stocks are those stocks that are not traded mostly in the stock market, that are traded after some time, maybe a week or two. Somebody jumps in and push the market up in that area. So these are those type of stocks, like moving slowly in the direction, or maybe the price change happens in them slowly. So these are those type of stocks. Now how to avoid these type of stocks in the stock market. Now if I say that I want to avoid these type of stocks, I would I would not trade in them. I would not upload their chart. What I would rather do is I would keep an eye on these stocks, and I would only use them if if they show any, like if there is any area of, like if they show any signs that this market would go up, I would enter in the area into that part. So up till before that I'm not going to enter into that area, into that stock. I would try to avoid these stocks, and I would like I've said in previous videos of mine, that I've made about how to manage your portfolio, how to come up with a portfolio. Invest one invest three-fourth of your capital in the stocks, and keep the rest, and the rest one-fourth, keep that for a rainy day. So so what I would do is, the rest that I've saved for a rainy day, I would invest that capital into this type of stocks, because the purpose of keeping that capital is to invest in these type. Now a slow stock would look something like this, or or it would look like if, now what is 8 10 20 20 12 10, take a look, 8 10 12 10 15 10. A slow stocks looks something like this, like traded after few days, not trading daily. It is traded after a few days, maybe 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. It is trading after days. So this is the main sign of a slow stock, because it is moving slowly and investors are not trying to push that stock up. So the main sign of this is that it is trading like this in the stock market. What company it is? With Pakistan Limited. So it is this company, and it is trading slowly, like moving upward, but in a slow direction. Moving in the upward direction, but in a slow motion. So so that was an example of a slow stock. Now I've showed to you another chart in the previous video. If a stock is moving like this in a downward direction, it doesn't mean that this stock is a slow stock. It is just in a downtrend. You can see that it is trading most of the days, but now recently it showed signs of resistance that this stock would go up. You can see that it is forming a double top. So I'm going to wait for this stock to show me some positive results of what will happen in this stock. I've showed this stock to you in the previous video as well. So you can see that this is a major price rejection. Now I will have to wait for it to show me some positive result. What results will it give me the next trading day? So I'm going to wait for that, and if it broke this trend line, I'm going to enter this stock and move along the stock. So that's what I'm going to do, because it's not a slow stock. If it was a slow stock and it did like this, I would do the same. Like, let me show you. it would go like this again. It would go something like this. So if it broke this trend line and does this confirmation, I'm going to enter the stock at this level and move along the stock. So this would be my method of entering into of trading a slow stock if this was a slow stock. Other than that, I would not enter into the stock. I would only enter into a slow stock when I see that this is now an entry point and a point that if I enter into this trade and it will give me profit. So I'm going to enter that stock only in that area, and I would trade that stock only for the profit that it would give me in the next few days or the next few months. That would be my approach to a slower stock. Other than that, I would not bother of trading a slow stock, because I know that it would I would hold my stock and it wouldn't give me any profit. So I'm not going to enter a stock until it gives me profits, because we all of the traders enter into a stock for profit, trade the stock market for profit, to gain profit, and to gain profit, and that and all of that those things. So I'm not going to enter a stock unless it gives me profit, unless I see opportunity that this stock would give me positive results. So other than that, I would not enter into a stock. I would just pass by that stock. What you'll say? I would pass by that stock, uh, and I would say goodbye to that stock, wave a hi or something. I would not trade those stocks. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.